Hi, this is a quick demo of eBay Wireless. Here we are at the main menu of eBay Wireless, and there are really four main features: My eBay, Search, Price Check, and What's Hot. And we'll go through each of these very quickly just to give you a quick overview of the application. So I'm going to click on 2 for Search, and I can either type in a new search or use one of the previous searches that I've already typed in. So for the sake of time, I'm going to click on 4 for Ming Dynasty, click on OK. And now the application is making a live network connection to eBay.com, and it's going to pull down the same exact search results that you'd get if you were to do this search on eBay.com. And in fact, we've got 42 pages of items, and to navigate through these pages, I can either click the right arrow now, like this, to go from page to page. Let me click the left arrow to get back. The other way I can navigate is I can click on one of the items, and then use the right arrow to go very quickly through all the Ming Dynasty items on eBay.com. Once I find one that I might be interested in, I can stop and look and see that the current price is $4.95. There's 2 hours left. If I scroll down, I can even look into more details. So for instance, I can click on 4 for gallery picture, and now it's going to fetch from eBay.com the actual picture that the seller took of this item and uploaded to eBay.com. Okay, so it's a nice looking pendant. If I click on back, as I scroll down, I can look at more information. For instance, I can look at the description or the payment terms, or I can even place a bid. Now instead of placing a bid, I'm just going to click instead on 6 to watch this item. And what this does is it adds this item to my watch list, both on my phone and also on eBay.com itself. Okay, so now it's been successful. And that's a good segue into My eBay. So let me click back and go into My eBay. Now I'm in My eBay. My user ID on eBay is Bonfire Media. I have a current feedback rating of 44. I've got 11 items I'm bidding on, 10 that I'm watching, and none that I'm selling. Let's click on 1 for bidding, and we can see that I'm currently bidding on 3 items. I recently won 2 items, and I recently lost 6. So I'm going to click on bidding, and now this is the list of all the items I'm currently bidding on eBay. And I can look at, for instance, Tickle Me Elmo, which is the first one. It's $73. Wow. 58 minutes left. I am currently not the high bidder. Let's go look at a picture real quick. There we go, the Elmo picture that the seller uploaded. And now, if I like, I can place a bid. So I click on 5 to place a bid. I will up the bid to $77 using the arrow key. Hit 0 to place the bid. OK, and let's hope that I am the high bidder. Bid successful, but you were immediately outbid. Okay, well, maybe I will wait a few minutes and bid later, but for now, I will click on back. I can go into items that I'm watching, and you can see the Ming Dynasty items that we added, for instance. The other features are Price Check and What's Hot. Price Check, I will skip that for now, but really what that allows folks to do is, instead of searching live auctions on eBay, it searches completed items to give them a better sense of what actual prices are running for on eBay.com. What's Hot really is just a list of hot items on eBay, and if I were to click on that, it would give me all the items on eBay related to those particular items. The last menu item I'll show you is the More menu, and hidden in this menu is one of the most popular features, which is alerts. If I click on 2 to turn on alerts, I can type in my phone number, and what that will do, I'm not going to do it right now, is when I'm outbid, I will get a text message to my phone to tell me immediately that I've been outbid so that I can place another bid. So regardless of where you are, you can always be attached to your eBay items. And the very last thing I'll show you is that I'll click on Change Country. We actually have eBay Wireless running localized versions in both the United States and Europe. So I will click on 4 for Italy. And now I have eBay Wireless for eBay Italy. Thank you.